Salve te omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. At me tum primam saevus con circumstetit horror obstipui, subit cari genitores imago, ut regem aequaevum crudeli vulnere vidi, vitam exhalantem subit deserta creusa, et direpta domus et parvi casus Iuli. But then, first, a savage horror surrounded me. Obstipui, I stood dumbstruck. Imago, cari genitores, the image of my dear father, approached, and there is an implied mentem, approached my mind, because these images are approaching the mind of Aeneas. Ut, as, vidi, I saw, the king of equal age, breathing out life from his cruel wound. Subiit, again, definitely some anaphora. Remember, anaphora is repetition for effect. We have some more of that with the subiit, subiit. Deserta creusa. Creusa, having been deserted, approaches my mind, and my home having been plundered approaches my mind, and the peril of little Iulus approaches my mind. So remember, Parvi Iulus. Iulus is another name for Ascanius or Aeneas' son. Creusa is Aeneas' wife. And up here we have cari genitores, the father, Aeneas' father, Anchises is mentioned. So Aeneas is mentioning and thinking of the people dearest to him as he's witnessing the downfall of Troy. And he even mentions Creusa having been deserted. So he's like, oh no, I left her behind. My home has probably been plundered. And my poor little son, what's going on with him? And my old father. So now Aeneas is realizing he has to focus on his family and find them. So the savage horror that surrounded him was likely the realization of, oh my goodness, I have to go find them. What could have happened to them? Now, we have a lot of highlighting here, a lot of words agreeing with each other that you need to find, and lots of participles, like the deserta creusa, the direpta domus. And I think that's pretty much all that we have to discuss, except for right here, ut, all the way down to exhalantem, as I saw the king of equal age. So he's talking about how he just witnessed the murder of King Priam of Troy, and that reminded him of his father, because Priam is of equal age with Anchises.